कुठ्ठाळे मतदारसंघात येवपी रेल्वेच्या ट्रॅक डबलिंगाक थळावी आमदार आलिना साल्ढाणान विरोध केला। रेल्वेच्या ट्रॅक डबलिंगाक लागून कासावले, वेलसांव आनी साकवाळच्या कांय घरांचेर हावळ येतली। आपूण तशें जावपाक कशेंच दिवची ना, आपूण लोकां बरोबर म्हण आलिनान सांगले।
रेल्वेचे ट्रॅक डबलिंग फकत कोळशा खातीर जाता, पॅसेंजराच्या बऱ्या खातीर न्ही म्हूण कुठ्ठाळची बीजेपीची आमदार आलिना साल्ढाणाचो आरोप। हे बाबतीत आपूण लोकां बरोबर, लोकांक नाका जाल्यार रेल्वेचे ट्रॅक डबलिंग जावपाक दिवचे ना म्हूण आलिनान स्पश्ट केलें।
That stretch has not been touched. They have said that they are coming right up to Margao, and that's what I know, because the moment I know that something starts this side, I am sorry, but I will have to start. I will be with the people, but also no, I have to say that for whose benefit? Is it for the benefit of the people of the state? Are the people of the state going to benefit? Because people of the state will benefit when the passenger trains increase. Right now, I don't think there is enough passengers for the existing passenger trains. So there is no need of passenger trains. What is there is enough. This is basically for coal, okay, to transport coal. So how much coal is going to be transported? And what about the pollution aspect? There are so many things to be considered. I'm sure the government will sit down and take a decision.
You will be with the people.
I will be with the people, for sure.
प्रुडंटा खातीर दिशांत परब।
मडगांवा शेनवारा राती उसरा नेव्हिल मार्शन म्हणटा ताजेर विल लुसिफर म्हणटा त्या स्लोवाकियाच्या फॉरेनरान सुरी हल्लो केलो। नेव्हिल आपल्या कुत्र्याक रस्त्यार भोंवडायतालो, इतल्यान लुसिफरान ताजेर खंय फाटल्यांतल्यान येवन सुरयेन हल्लो केलो। मडगांव पुलिसांनी हल्लेखोर स्लोवाकियाचो नॅशनल विल लुसिफराक अटक केल्या।
And this man was abusing me. I asked him what happened, and next minute he came and he knifed me. He knifed me. Here's the proof. And my father was the president of Margao municipality. We are a well-known family here in Margao. Everybody knows this. And if this is what
really happened between you all? Why did he actually attack you? What was it?
Because he abused me. He saw my dog. He abused me. Either he's on drugs or where is he come from? I don't know.
We received a complaint from one Neville Marshall that one foreigner by name Will Lucas has assaulted him with knife, and we have immediately arrested that Will Lucas, who is from Slovakia national, and he is booked under 324 of IPC.
इतले मजगती शेनवाराच राती रियाज अहमद म्हणटा ताचेर अनवर म्हणटा ताणें हल्लो केलो। पुलिसांनी अनवराक अटक केल्या।
बेश्टी हांव थिंगा ज्यूस पिवपाक रावलो, हिंगा अपोलो हॉस्पिटला कडेन थिंग ज्यूस पिवपाक लागलो। तो येयलो बायक घेवन आनी म्हाका मारपाक लागलो। तेणी कितें आहलो तेगे हातीन सुरी भाशेन, तेणी हिंग मारले म्हाका आनी फादर घेवन मारलो। बेश्टो एक जाण आहले ते
आनी तुका मारलो?
म्हाका मारपाक लागलो। कित्याक मारले म्हळ्यार ते हिंगा दोग जाण आहले, ते होबरी उलयताले, ते म्हगे फ्रेंड आहले दोग जाण हिंगा भितर आहले, ते भायर येयले, तेणी म्हाका फोन केल्लो, ते होबरी उलयताले आनी हेणी म्हाका चोयल दिसा तेणे बरोबर, म्हगे कांय रिलेशन ना, हांव चाय पितालो ते दीस। मागीर तेणी त्या दिसाचे हात काडला।
अनवर म्हणटा तो?
अनवर. We'll be arresting him, Anwar. He is involved he is a history sitter. We'll book him today.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस।
घेऊया एक ब्रेक।